Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be going over a 2x Leaderstats script, so in this case a 2x coin script. And to do this we're going to use the built-in Gamepass functions that's made by Roblox. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Like and subscribe, and see you there. Okay, so once you're in Studio, go ahead and open server script service and put in a script. This tutorial you're only going to need one script. Now you can name the script anything, so I'm going to name it Gamepass handler. Gamepass handler. And then we can start coding. So first of all, we need to define a few variables, and the information from this is, as I said, in here in the passes and the Roblox documentation. I have to scroll down on this list. You will get some code down here, and we're going to be using some of the things from this code and import some of our own stuff to make this work. So yeah, there's some pretty useful stuff in here, and I recommend going and reading this if you really want to know what you're typing today. Anyways, let's go back into the script and let's declare some variables. Say local marketplace service, game get service, marketplace service, which is a built-in service by Roblox. Then we're gonna need the player, so we'll get the service of the players, and then we need a pass ID, so the ID of our game pass. So local pass ID equals to 0, bunch of zeros for now. Later. Then we'll make a function, and we'll make this function on player added. We'll make it to the player that we did before up here, the player from up there. Say local has pass is to false. So we're gonna use this to check if they own the game pass. Okay, local success, my message, p-call function. So here we're making a p-call. If you don't know what a p-call is, then I recommend going to read about it. But it's basically a way to, in this case, determine if it worked or not. So we're gonna say has pass equals to the marketplace service, and then we're going to use this long event here. That's user owns Game Pass sync. We're gonna connect using the parameters. We're gonna do our player, then get their user ID, comma the pass ID from our pass Game Pass. Then we can end this off here. Go down here. Say if not success, then we can warn the system that it failed. So error while checking if player has pass. String I think we're gonna use here. Yeah. Message. I'm gonna return this. So if they has pass, the same as thinking if success. So if they have pass, then we're going to print the player dot name dot, and then player dot name owns the pass with ID dot string, comma the pass ID. If has pass, local points equals to the player. Wait for child. Leaderstats. Points dot value equals to the points dot value times 2. That's what you would normally put times there you go, times 2. This is what you would normally put, but in this case we're going to simplify it a bit. So we're gonna say times equals 2, and it's the same thing as the other one. Okay, so this won't work quite yet because the pass ID is invalid. So to fix this, you need to go to your game, you need to publish it, and then find your game. And once you have gotten your game right here, then you need to make a Gamepass. And you want to take the ID from this Gamepass. So I'm going to click on it, take the ID of it, and then you want to put the ID here. So you want to make sure that it returns that ID. So this is the finished script right here. You can pause the video and copy it if you haven't followed along. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna do a quick test to see if this works. So just click play. Now I'm thinking about it, this actually won't work because we don't have a Leaderstats. So we're quickly gonna do that. So what we can do is we can import a model. So I think there's one called coin. Take this first one, and let's see if it has a. We don't need. Alright, so this has a Leaderstats script, so we're just gonna use this for now. This coins thing, and then the collect script doesn't really matter. Just deactivate the collect script. Great. Okay, so what we need from this coin right here is the Leaderstats script. So we need to make sure that this connects up with our script in here. So our value we set local coins equals to the dot coins. So I am pretty sure, yeah, this is going to match up. So what we can do is we can say coins dot value equals to 10. Go ahead and play the game. And as you can see, because I own the Gamepass, I have 20 coins. You won't be able to pick up the script because we disabled it. But we told, essentially we told the Leaderstats the starting value should be 10. But because I own this Gamepass right here, because I made the Gamepass, I get 20. And if you didn't see before, you can catch it again here. I have 20 coins. Now, if we try to do someone that wasn't me, so we could make a client and server, or we can make a local server. So basically here you can use someone that's not linked to your profile to test your scripts. So that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to use one of these. And as you can see, they spawn in with 10 coins only. And that is because these player 1 and player 2, because this is just their name, they don't actually own the Gamepass. So that is why they only spawn in with 10. Great. So that is how you use a script to double your Leaderstats. This script will be linked inside the Discord server, which will be in the description. You can go ahead and grab it there. And if you're interested in learning Lua, then you can go ahead and join my other Discord server, which will also be linked in the description, where I document my journey on scripting, and you can go ahead and read from that and learn from it as well. There's a bunch of courses, and I post all my work in there. And if you find some of it interesting and you want to use it in your game, you can copy it and you can understand what it does. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.